welcome to my channel. We are doing solving systems of equations by graphing again in this video. This is part 2. So we are going to graph this system of equations, but in the last video, they were already y equals. In this video, they are not y equals already. We need to do that part first. So then we're going to get y by itself, we're going to graph it, and we're going to see where they cross. And hopefully all my numbers are nice, pretty integers. Otherwise, graphing is not that great. So let's take this first equation. We're going to take 2x plus 3y equals 12. I'm going to solve that for y. So I subtract 2x from both sides. That's gone. I get 3y equals negative 2x plus 12. I'm going to divide everything by 3. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. Ooh, I can graph this one. Ooh, good. All right, so we're going to go up to 4 on our graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot right there. Then our slope is negative 2/3. So go down to positive 3. That is all I can get to fit on this graph. And then connect the dots. Sometimes I do it later, but you really should do it first. Now let's look at this other one. I'll do it in pink. X minus y equals 1. Get the y by itself. Subtract x from both sides. Negative y equals negative x plus 1. There is still a negative in front of that y. Divide everything by negative 1. Multiply everything by negative 1. Either way you look at it, it's the same thing. Y equals x plus, negative, minus 1. So the slope here is 1, and my y-intercept is negative 1. Okay. So we're going to go down to 1 and put a dot on my y-intercept. Then our slope is positive 1. So we go up 1 over 1 to the right. Up 1 over 1 to the right. Up 1 over 1 to the right. We can do it again. Connect our dots. And here is our intersection. That is where they are the same. You can't really see because my graph paper's in the way. But right there is where they are the same. So what ordered pair is that going to be? 1, 2, 3, up 2. And always go back and check these at the end of your test or quiz. Do all the problems, then go back and check. Plug this in for x, plug this in for y in the original problems, and make sure you get equal numbers on both sides. All right, here's another one for us to try by graphing. We're going to really hope that these work out to be nice numbers. Otherwise, graphing doesn't really work. So let's take that first equation, and we're going to get y by itself. So we're subtracting 2x. Oh, look at that. Y was by itself after that. Yay. Ooh, this is going to be tricky because my graph paper doesn't go up to 5. I really hope I can get it to work. So we're going to go up to 5, which we know is like about right there. That's up here at 5. And then we're going to go down 2 and over 1. Negative slope, so we got to go down 2 and over 1 to the right. Down 2 and over 1 to the right. Try to remember to connect your dots at the very beginning so you don't get confused as to which dots go with which thing. So I knew that was 5, so I went 4, 3. So I was able to make this one work. It's not the best, but we're going to go with it. Graphing is not always the best method because our graph paper is not perfect sometimes. Let's solve this for y. We are going to subtract x from both sides. This negative, I've got to either multiply everything by negative 1 or divide everything by negative 1. It doesn't matter. Y equals x minus 1. So we're going to go down to 1 and put a dot. Then up and over to the right, up and over to the right, up and over to the right. Connect our dots. And where do they intersect? Right here. That is going to be 1, 2, positive 1. 2, 1. Go back and check it. Plug it in to make sure you get true statements when you plug it into these original problems. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. Also, like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.